Right, cool. We getting ready to go live right now. So, yep, that's it. This is it. We're here. Welcome back. I'm getting ready to show you how you can get started with this new live right now. So, money, right? This new money. I'm finna show you how to get paid with digital currency, this Bitcoin, this blockchain technology. All right, how you can start doing some trading. I'm finna be doing some live trading right here. So you how you can get into the market, how you can buy some of these coins for low and then turn around and sell those coins for high.
Sounds good, man. Are we on?
Yeah, I kind of fell off the planet for a second, right? Having a little bit
of you were frozen.
I was frozen.
Yeah, man, we thought we lost you.
Yeah, I don't know if they heard me, but we definitely finna jump right into this. We're gonna show you guys how to do some of this live trading. We're gonna be doing some live trading right here. Show you how you can jump into the exchanges, buy some of these coins for low and sell them for high, right? But of course we're a little bit more savvy, you know, so we can make money as the coins are going up, and we also know how to capitalize on the market and make money as the coins are going down, right? So I know a lot of my people here, they probably still don't even have a Bitcoin wallet yet. They don't know what Bitcoin really is. They probably kind of unsure, unclear, uncertain about what it is. So I got my partner right here, man. He got one of his buddies. So we want to kind of like put it all out there on the table, right?
Absolutely.
Definitely.
So again, I'm Rob. This right here is Joe. I've been playing with Bitcoin for a while.
You too.
Oh shit. I've been playing with Bitcoin for a while. You know, I'm not a professional. We all got much more to learn. But Joe here doesn't really know anything. We're gonna actually ask him what he knows, and then kind of just conversate, open a dialogue, because there's a lot of people who hear it and don't know about it or don't know why they should take it seriously. So see what we can get started.
Hey, so yeah, cool. For you jump into that real quick, man. I'm gonna drop a link right here in the chat, man, so you can share that link, man, and share that link everywhere, man, so we can get some people in on the conversation, man. So just to get the chat box busting a little bit, man, just in case somebody want to come in and ask some questions, I have a, you know, little bit to roll off, little more to roll off for.
Yeah, let me go ahead and post this.
Oh yeah, live chat conversation.
Yeah, believe that. Wait a minute. I don't want to see that.
You know, we ain't doing the video games. It's about the money.
Yeah, no, this ain't about no video games.
Live chat.
Yeah, so.
Whole thing is all I'm having some technical difficulties too. What's going on?
Technical difficulties, man.
Yeah, I'm trying to post this link and it's all like
yeah, so
there we go. All right.
Matter of fact, I can get a shot right here real quick. Y'all get the chance to share that real quick. I'm gonna put y'all on there.
There we go.
Y'all ain't never went live before. All right. I know everybody else had plenty of time real quick.
Yeah, we're ready to roll whenever you are, my friend.
Yeah, cool. So I just shared the link, man. I did my thing, man. So I hope y'all got a chance to do y'all. So let's ask them a couple questions, man. Figure out what you know about, digital currency already. I know there's a lot of people talking about it. There's a lot of it's a buzz going on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely, absolutely. So yeah, that's the first question is, Mr. Joe, what do you know about Bitcoin, or what have you heard, or uh, why are you here, sir?
Yeah,
Ah.
yeah, pretty much. I seen some Facebook stuff and made the Bitcoin actually look pretty enticing. You know, the money it seems like is actually in it. You know.
So there's money involved. You know that
Yeah, and it
people
looks
are
like
making
it's
money. That's
yeah, it
interesting.
looks like it's you put in a little bit and you get out a lot. It looks like a good flip.
Okay, so that's pretty much the up and down of what you know.
Yeah,
All right, so that's what pretty much we all start off with is a couple of pictures on Facebook. Somebody scrolling down. It's like Bitcoin did what? Bitcoin did coup. Well, that's too busy. I'm too bad. Too busy. Too bad. I'm busy with my day job, which is fine. You know, cool.
Hey, so
But
bro, what? Let me. What's your name again? My bad.
Joe.
Joe. I wanted to say Joe, but I didn't want to just, But anyway, Joe.
Hmm.
When you think the first time you heard about Bitcoin, like what year you think it was?
I think it was yeah, probably late 2016 or something like that.
2016. Okay, so this fairly recent then, right? So it's
Yeah,
2016. We probably seen Bitcoin prices around what I don't know, $750 or something like that.
yeah.
So I mean, you seen people talking about it then, and then bang, what do you know? We hit a day. Bitcoin price is about $1,825, man. Man, Rob, what's going on, man?
well, I mean, I've been crying about it online for days. So how does that make you feel? $1,800.
Yeah, that shit
Eighteen
sound.
hundred bucks. That's your homie, right? So you sitting next to a potential millionaire. He might be holding. You know what
Yeah,
I'm saying?
you never
I
know.
got a
This
bag.
that might actually be real gold. Uh, no, hey.
Yeah, right.
So I want to ask a few questions.
Cool.
Address a few things.
Really?
Uh, First of all, so what is Bitcoin? And if we could strap it all down into one sentence, it's an experiment. It is a new finance experiment, but it's not so new anymore. And now
Yeah,
it's
this is so
this is
far
trending.
advanced, but for an experiment, bro. If you still want to talk about this being an experiment, then
Well, that's how. Right, exactly. My point.
this is the
So
real deal. This is definitely the real deal, man. This is money. You know what I'm
can
talking
can
about?
we can we screenshot? Can we screenshot? I'm gonna go ahead and just screenshot
Yeah.
some day trades, in an account that I have.
Yeah, and you can definitely screen share real quick. Yeah, but this is real money. Finna get ready and show you real time how you can get some of this real money. This is digital currency, the world's first digital currency. It's decentralized, meaning that it's not controlled by one source or one entity. All right, no central bank controls this. All right, the interest rates are not controlled by a Federal Reserve or a central bank or anything like that. You don't have to ask for permission to send money or spend money. All right. Usually with
Right.
traditional banking, if they say your bank account is froze, guess what? Your bank account is froze.
SOL, buddy.
So
So pretty much, this is we've just been doing this for a couple hours. Open this up just to kind of show what kind of stuff we can do. Now, there's only a half a Bitcoin in here, but that half a Bitcoin has allowed me through 4 trades has allowed me to generate over 100 US dollars. But basically, what would you call that? A 0.05. I don't know how you'd say that in a fraction, but percentage of a Bitcoin. But there's a rule of thumb that most Americans use, and that's $100 a day could get you by. $100 a day, 7 days a week, $700 a month, $1,400 in a biweekly. You're talking about $3,200 a month. That's substantial, at least for anybody for 18 to 25. That's the kind of money they're thinking about making. So if we can make that kind of money here, sitting here in an hour off of a market, then that's not the point. We don't want you to make money off the market, okay? And let me start asking questions here. Is what would you rather do? Would you rather buy it and hold it and then do your regular daily thing? Or would you rather get involved in a market, buy it, sell it, buy it, sell it, buy it, sell it, and try to make money off of the money?
Yeah, try to flip it.
You would try to flip it. Okay.
Hmm.
So the beautiful thing about it is, and this is more than an opinion, this is a fact, is you can actually do both. You can spend $10 and you could buy, let's say, Stellar or Ripple. They've both been performing excellently over the past few days. You can spend $10 and buy one of these coins. I believe Ripple right now is 4 cents. and or no, I'm sorry, Ripple is 18 cents, and Stellar is 4 cents. So you can spend $10, get yourself what 400, 500 coins, and you'd be good because you got to think about it. When those go up to $1, when those go up to $2, $10, you're looking at 500, 1,000, $10,000 depending. It's just how long do you hold on to them?
Cool. Shout out to my viewers, man. If I can see y'all in the chat, man, hit like one time for the fun time for me. But anyway, here we go right here. Definitely. Let me share. What's up, guys? Crypto Kings. Definitely, we getting it in all day, every day, man. Richie Rich, shout out to Richie Rich, man. Yes, I got people sharing in the chat. So yeah, we really here doing this, man. We really this is the beginning. It's the beginning, and it is not too late. I got my boy Joe right here. I got my boy Rob right here. Joe actually seen this thing happen in 2016. He didn't, he seen it. He made a little bit of sense to it, but he didn't take action. But it's not too late. This is still the beginning. You can get in on this, take advantage of it, figure out how to get a wallet so you can buy send. So you can store. You got to store these digital currencies first, right?
Right.
You need a place to hold your Bitcoins, send and receive your Bitcoins. So once you do that, then you be armed and ready to get onto one of these big boy exchanges and start to buy some of these coins for profit, right?
Yeah.
Right. And the thing is, there's two ways to do it in a nutshell. You have anonymous and you have non-anonymous. Now, the anonymous ways are not necessarily more difficult, but there's more steps. The non-anonymous ways are definitely more convenient, but your everything is traced. You're attached to the IRS, and like we said, it started out as an experiment. There are people for it. There are people probably not for it. So you never know what it could turn into. Plus, there's always a beautiful thing in your privacy. So two ways we do kind of want to address. If you were to start from nothing, you would go to Coinbase.com, and this is a non-anonymous way. And what?
Definitely non-anonymous. Definitely non-anonymous way.
Right.
I want to point
Not
that out.
anonymous.
Before we even roll right into this, Coinbase, if you're doing this, is a convenient way, but hey, convenience is always not the best answer.
Yeah, it could cost at times because you're being tracked.
Yeah,
so
you're being tracked.
This is the simplest way.
Freely submitting.
Right.
So you got to submit. It's up to you to make the decision whether you're going to go this way or that way.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to know. Is this is a digital currency, and y'all said it's not backed by the. So I'm talking about y'all get taxed.
No tax. This is not tax regulated unless if you're dealing with Coinbase and you're trying to convert your digital currency back into a fiat currency, then you are going to be subject to the taxation of the Federal Reserve because you're dealing with their currency. But if you just dealing with digital currency, Bitcoin, which you can pretty much spend whatever you need to do, you can do it in Bitcoin almost, and every day is becoming more and more accessible everywhere. Everybody's accepting it. So it's up to you if you're gonna get taxed. It's up to you if you're gonna remain anonymous, and it's up to you if you're gonna remain unanonymous.
Right.
So you can give up all of your control, all of your privacy, all of your security, just like that.
Exactly. And it's the simplest way. The Coinbase, you go in, you follow the sign up information, you enter your debit card, and boom, you buy Bitcoin, you buy Ethereum, and they just added Litecoin. Or the non-anonymous way, which I'm going to let you take care of. And now remember, Coinbase is not anonymous. Go ahead. I want to get that one out of the way. That's the simplest way. Like if you cannot, well, if you cannot sign yourself up on Coinbase, which is less difficult than signing yourself up with an email address, I mean, that's fine. We'll help you. It's not a problem. But it's easy to do. That's the simplest way. Not necessarily the best, but again, if you would just want to jump in, you don't want to hear a bunch of people talking about it. You just kind of want to experiment for yourself. You got $5-10 laying around, and you're like, "What's the worst that can happen?" Hey, what's wrong with being a pioneer? throw it in there, Coinbase, easy to step. Better way.
Hey, Rob, real quick, man. Hey, man, yeah, definitely, Rob, man. I appreciate that, man, because that's what it's really about, man. All of the extra money you get, man, you definitely should be converting it back over into this digital currency, because digital currency is increasing. If you'd bought $100 worth of BTC just last week, that $100 would have already increased by about 20%. All right, and you wouldn't have to do nothing. You wouldn't have to tell anybody. You don't have to go to no boring hotel parties or any of that, right? So this is definitely a great store of value for yourself and for your money. All right. I don't care if you're using it for a savings account or if you're using it as for investing to try to get good returns on your investments or whatever it is that you're trying to do. Right. But I want to shout out to my chat again real quick, man. My man say he just bought 30 more ETC, man. I had to tell him, man, that we right here mining ETC live. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my homie Rob right here, man. I don't know if we can get it, huh?
If anybody needs information about the rigs, man, tell them to hit the chat box, bro. Let's open this discussion up. Did you guys know you can have a computer that generates money? Yes, it's not maybe I'll have some dollars when I get home from work. Nah, bro, your computer's working harder than you are at work. Let's just be honest.
Definitely.
I'll be right back. I need a drink.
That part.
Cool. What'd you say about that part, bro?
Nah, dude, like, as far as, how profitable mining those computers can be, you know what I'm saying? Just like, and actually turning a profit. That's what I'm all interested in. I'm all ears. Like,
well, it take money to make money, so that's the main thing that you want to know when you're getting started. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to pull up some mining rigs real quick just to show you how people are actually setting this type of stuff up, this type of hardware, this computer hardware, right in their homes. People are even building like mining farms where they got like factories of these things just lined up.
Yeah.
All right. And this stuff is literally just electronically generating money.
Yeah, because I seen Rob. He got one too, dude, and that shit look crazy.
Yeah. I mean, Rob's probably looks something similar to this here, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So we got mining rigs right there where you can like I said, buy, sell. I mean, this is not even an exchange. You can plug this thing up and this thing right here start printing money for you. So it's depending upon,
That's simple. I said that's it. I love how you said that. It's that simple.
Yeah, it's that simple. It's gonna do the work for you. This is the true system, the only true system. I know people tried to pitch you on the system before. This is a system that's gonna work. A plug and play system. All you gotta do, right out of the box system. This is a real system. Wait a minute, not this. I'm sorry, I didn't not this. I'm not trying to sell you nothing.
You know what? And that's the problem with this whole thing, is everyone thinks that you're trying to sell them something. No, the Bitcoin, you can see for yourself, it is growing in wealth. We're just trying to let you know there's a way that you don't have to pay for it. You can generate it.
Exactly. You can generate this stuff yourself.
If you can make it out of thin air, then what do you have to lose? Like at that point, it's only yourself holding yourself back.
Yeah. So definitely we definitely got all of the information right there so that you can get set up and start mining some of this digital currency and making some of this money. Look, I got people talking about pool mining, and they say you need cheap power. You don't really need cheap power. I mean, you literally got, you got a washing machine plugged up in your house. You got a refrigerator plugged up in your house. These things are pretty much pulling the same amount of power, if not more, as one of these mining rigs.
As an Xbox.
An Xbox.
So God damn it, you got your Xbox on 12 hours out of the day.
Yeah, you got the kids playing the Xbox. They got the TV on, that TV on. They watch DVD players, Blu-ray players.
Excuses at this point.
Playing, the air conditioner on. So
I just don't understand. Whenever I talk about Bitcoin, people always look at me like I'm weird, like I pour hot sauce on my ice cream and shit.
Yeah, man. Shout out to Rob, man. This nigga crazy. I'm looking at him like, hey, you had me for a minute. I'm like, is he putting hot sauce on ice cream? Hey, man, I think that had to get us an extra couple of viewers, man. We got 7 on right now in the chat right now, man. Hey, shout out to my chat. Hey, Japan is the mining king, man. Japan and China has the biggest trade volume of Bitcoin right now. So
I ain't
they
playing
know
around.
way ahead of the crowd right
They
now.
know what time it is.
They know what
They know
time it is. You look at all of these other parts of the world, and you see what they're already on top of the ball. They're already, focusing in on this digital currency and on these cashless societies, right? And right here in the United States, these people are still asleep. They still slow to get on board. They thinking everything is a scam.
Right.
Like what are you trying to figure out? Is a scam. Why everything is a scam. Everything is a scam.
Your
So
fucking health insurance is a scam.
your health insurance is a scam. So what is
I mean, it works. It's just very expensive. Very.
right? What's very expensive, bro?
Health insurance and gas.
Yeah,
Fossil fuels suck.
you know what? You know what's crazy? Most people pay insurance their whole life, right? Especially like car insurance. Some people ain't bad drivers. Some people don't even drive that much. But they pay, their car insurance. So even their homeowners insurance, they pay all of that homeowners insurance. They never use it. They never cash in on it. So they're just paying out, feeding the insurance companies, making sure their bills paid on time. And then guess what? They fall over and die. And they never get a return on their money they put in. Like, it just always gets me. But anyway, look,
it's sad. It's not funny. It's really sad because that's not like what we're trying to build. Like, as a society, as a species, we have hella technology. Why can't our society be advanced so that we can all live in a way that everyone benefits? Like, that can't happen. There's just a reason it doesn't. And this isn't the answer to that. But I'm saying the type of thinking that's going to fix those problems isn't the type of thinking.
This may be the answer to that, though, bro. This is what I'm trying to tell people.
It could be, but
this may be the answer because this is starting to wake people up right here. This is the one and only thing right now that people can really look at, and they can immediately see flaw in everything else. Because now I got this is an intangible coin. This is straight digital currency. You telling me this money, and then whole time. So what is this paper that y'all got me holding? So if that's money, then what's this right here?
Exactly.
And then why am I taking my money to the bank if I can do all of this stuff that the bank can do myself? Why do I got to put my money in the bank? So this can change everything. The paradigm of everybody's mind is going to start to shift, and it's probably circulating all around Bitcoin. But anyway, I just want to check this out real quick, man. I don't mean to cut you off, but Bitcoin price holds firm as Japan easily overtakes China as the largest trade market. And this couple months old, but look though, China and Japan, the largest trading market. What
That's just crazy.
It's crazy, right? It's crazy because this is world news. But in your world, what you got going on in your world? I ain't even gonna get into the article or nothing like that because I want people to do their own due diligence, but I want to show it to you right here live. I want to show people how to get money. This ain't even about the news. I want to show people how to get right to the money. If you don't,
maybe that's another thing we can address right now is like once you have Bitcoin, there's so many things you can do with it. You can hold it, you can sing to it, you can invest it yourself and risk it all, or you can give it to somebody who will guarantee results, literally. And I do both. Let me tell you, I got 5 kids. I got a lot of kids. Okay, I don't know how to control myself.
You got all them kids, man.
I got 5 kids.
Hey, Joe, how many kids you got, bro?
No, I only got 1.
Dang, man.
I'm a little bit excessive in everything I do, sir. So no, I love my babies, but that's just the thing is I love my babies and I take care of them. So take care of them, you have to secure some sort of future. Now, I took the safe route for quite a few years. My son is 7 now, and he's watched me for years and years and years break my back just so we can barely hang on to what we have. And I've watched other people take advantage of opportunities that might not pay off, but did. Okay, so hey, your mother is calling you, young man. I believe she's in the living room.
Definitely. We definitely I seen a lot of people do have opportunities, man. I mean, opportunities been in front of us for a long time, man. But again, it's a whole lot of skeptical stuff going on. You know what I'm saying? So
Right.
a lot of people are hesitant to get involved in stuff. Then you got stuff that's scamming out or hit a day, gone tomorrow type of companies. So I kind of understand why people, don't they kind of like,
Yeah, but we got to get over that. That's something we all got to do. We all got to
yeah,
find that sense of equilibrium and what we're going to accept and what we're not going to accept. Because remember, the companies are only in business because we give them our money. We give them our business. They
exactly.
only take over what they take over because we as individuals allow them. And I hate to get like archaic and almost ridiculous with it, but the
Right.
only way that the darkness can triumph is for a good man to sit back and do nothing. And if you're just going to sit here and watch Bitcoin grow and wait until it's $10,000 to buy in to the point where you're in the same spot then as you are now, just with a different currency, what if the dollar fell off tomorrow? How many people watching this right now would be fine? Okay, you have gold, that's cool. You got silver, that's great. I'm happy for you. No, it's good. It really is good. The difference between Bitcoin and gold is that I could take Bitcoin to the store right now and buy myself a six-pack and some sandwiches. You can't do that, right
Hey,
now. I can do that right
I
now.
was I was talking about that earlier today, man, on our Crypto King show, man, because we were talking about like if you really had to, go and use gold for your day-to-day transactions, like how would that look? Like you got a wheelbarrow, or you really literally walking around with a bag, like
Hey, the rich man is the strong man in the gold world,
yeah,
sir.
the rich man or the strong man or somebody looking at somebody like lunch meat, man. You walking around with a bag of gold, like
Agreed.
that would be kind of like a third, right?
Wild West, sir.
But yeah, I mean, it's real easy for people to take advantage of this industry and capitalize on any one of these opportunities, man. You can either be profitable by buying and holding this stuff, or you can be profitable by trading on the cryptocurrency exchanges. I was sharing my screen real quick. By going on to the exchanges and trading some of these currencies yourself. All right. And sometimes it's good days and sometimes it's bad days, right? The market you subject to the volatility of the marketplace. So even though it's real easy to come into this,
long-term holding, that volatility doesn't so much affect you.
hey, the
Only if you're
volatility is
day-to-day
not even
trading.
relevant.
Right. If you're saying, okay, I want to buy today and see what it wields in 30 months,
Right.
or 30 days, excuse me, then the volatility on the day-to-day basis isn't going to affect you because that wave is more or less going up. Because I mean, if you care to go back to the 2-week scale or whatever, and you'll notice that it's an increase. Just like Bitcoin. Anybody right now watching this can go to the Bitcoin graph of all time. They're the same everywhere. It's the same ledger everywhere, and you'll see that although it jumped up and went down and jumped up and karate chopped the playing field a million times, people went crazy. But ultimately, if you look at it on the scale of a whole, it's done nothing but increase. Period.
Definitely, it definitely does nothing but increase. But that still look kind of technical, man. It still look like it's real complex. I got my man Joe over there. Joe over there look like he finna go to sleep or something, man.
Bro.
Hey,
They way over my head, man. I gotta be smart. I gotta be advanced to do this, man. But
no.
I got several opportunities on the flow right now that got all of my investors in profit. Okay, I mean, if you own my team, if you know me, you know what I'm saying. If you got any affiliation, you know that all of this stuff that we're talking
Thank you,
about
baby.
is real. You know what I'm saying. All of these investment opportunities are real. The money is real. All right, so we got companies that'll do all of this trading for you. All right, we just showed you how you can literally take your Bitcoin. Once you get Bitcoin, you can take your Bitcoin, go into the exchanges, and then bing, you subject to the volatility of the marketplace. If the price is low, you can buy low, make money as the price is going up. If you know what you're doing, if you plugged in with us or a team of the professional traders that we dealing with, like the guys over here on Ethtrade, then you'll be savvy enough to make money as the price is going down. All right,
Right.
but like our people over here Ethtrade. All right, you Rob, you know about this, right?
Yes, I've been involved, man. As a matter of fact, you got me involved. And
Exactly,
it's
right?
beautiful.
So
I appreciate it.
he appreciates it. So you know what I'm saying? So I say that to say this is a team of professional traders that do all of the work. They go into the cryptocurrency exchanges themselves, all right, and they do all of the trading on your behalf, and they pay you a profit of up to 25% each and every month, each and every day, based off of your investment, right?
Right. And
So
the bigger the investment, the bigger the payout. And it's beautiful because it's not something that you have to concern yourself with, or especially if you got anxiety problems. Because I'm sure there's plenty of people saying, "Oh my God, there's too much risk involved. I'm anxious. I'm like, I got to take 30 pills." Like, relax. It's guaranteed.
Yeah.
All you got to do, if you really want to, you don't even got to look at it for 30 days. You just pull it out at the end of 30 days and say, "Oh, cool, thanks." Or if you want to, you can look at it every once in a while, look through the window and see it grow like a flower.
right.
This is fact. This is not an opinion. This is not some late night infomercial. Like, bro, I'm sitting in my kitchen.
This is the real deal,
with
man.
my goddamn kids right here, just trying to tell people, hey,
right. This the real deal. I mean, definitely it is, man. This is not one of those things, not one of those MLM companies. We're not trying to tell you to sell no coffee, no lotion, no potion, no juice.
You don't got the potion? You ain't got the juice, baby?
Weight loss.
I heard you had the juice.
None of that. None of that. We showing you straight where the money is at. All right. This is all it is. It's about the money, and we showing people how to get involved in it, how to get returns on their investments. All right. That's the only thing I want to show people, how to get ROI, how to convert some of their traditional fiat money, some of that paper money. All right, how to convert that and convert it over into digital currency. Then once they do that, I want them to start investing. Once they start investing, they're gonna start getting returns on their investment. Something that the bank is not. This is not comparable to the bank. Period. You know what I'm saying? You can put your money anywhere, but nowhere can get you returns like this. I mean, somebody probably trying to tell you a green dot. Somebody telling you they need your bank account. Somebody might even want your account number or your routing number. You know, but this with this right here, we don't need none of that. None of that.
I'm not even asking you for money.
I don't even need your money, right? So hey, what's up? What's up to the babies? We got the real Bitcoin bosses in the making.
This is why we do this, man.
Yeah, believe that.
He's only 3 months. He's standing up because he knows.
Hey, shout out to the chat, man. Shout out to the chat. They say show us your account. They want to see if it's real.
Yeah, hell yeah.
They want to see if it's real, right? So hey, let's pop it open and see what's going on. Let's see if we can show you how real this thing gets. Okay, so give me 1 second. I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna go right. Wait a minute here. Yeah, so if you guys got any questions or anything like that, man, Joe, if you got any questions, man, make sure you get your questions answered, bro, because I want to make sure that you know exactly what's going on, man. You know, because I know when you got people in your house or right around you all the time, you might take them for granted, man. What they talking about, like, or play them shallow,
I don't mean to cut you off, but I'm not really good at the technical stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show him my Polo account right quick because I got a quick
Polo account. Then man, show the Polo account. Pop the Polo account in, pop the Polo account open, and show the Polo account. All right, I'm gonna pull up some of my trade analysis too, man, to show you guys what I did just for today.
Right, just for today too. Like, this is crazy, man. What are you guys thinking? All right, so and you can see here, Poloniex. The date, okay? So today is the 11th, right? So we're going to go to the 11th. We're going to go to apply. Now, this is one coin and a lot. Well, you got to spell it out for these people. 0.74 BTC. Now we're going to go over to here and we're going to say, well, excuse me, what is 0.74 BTC?
Right.
That's $1,300. Or you could stick to $7 an hour, whatever.
Hey, but yeah, no hard feelings, man. If you got a job, man, hey, man, get your money.
I'm sorry. I get frustrated because I see my people struggling, and they're so skeptical. It's like, just take a chance, man, and thank yourself later.
Yeah, right.
This guy will thank you later. Because I know a lot of you out there got kids way too young. I did.
Yeah, the kids gotta eat, man. Don't do it. Don't do it for you. Don't do it for me. You ain't doing it for me. You know, do it for the kids. Even if you don't want to learn what it is, even if you think that it's too complex for you, pass it to the kids. All right, because pretty much the only thing you need.
Yeah, it looks like this
You got
is the
your
start of
phone.
a
You
zombie.
capitalize on
Dude,
it.
it's fucking
You
fucked
know,
out for real.
you can get the kids the phone and take advantage of it just like that.
You
So,
guys, I think my wife might be infected with the zombie virus.
oh my God, she's
I'm serious,
infected.
bro.
Is she infected, bro?
This shit is way more serious than Bitcoin right now.
Oh
Fuck.
my
No,
God.
I was what? She got a nasty cut, guys. Pray for her.
Oh yeah, yeah. Shout out to his wife,
Rob's
man.
wife. She's hurt. She's
All
hurt
right,
bad.
ain't assistance, bro.
All right, baby. Yeah, he's freaking out. Come on.
Hey, so this is what I want to do. I'm gonna pop over my let me see. I'm gonna pop over my trade. Let me see. Do I want to stop the other guy sharing?
There you go.
Since I'm on Polonian X real quick, they want to show Polonian X. I've been trading in STR today. So
Been doing the XTR thing.
yeah, I've been doing the STR thing today as well. So we'll just we'll get from just today. You guys can see my screen, right? You can see my screen, right, bro?
Yeah, I see it.
All right, cool. I'm gonna get this from today. I'm gonna click apply. And wait a minute.
Nah, today's the 11th.
Today's the 11th. Okay, the 11th. Okay, so cool. Just the 11th right there. All right. You see, May 11th, 0.45 BTC. All right. And I can show you what that is real quick. And this is how I'm going to do it.
Now, how long does it take to accumulate 4.TC?
Bro, this is today. It said right there on today. This is today's trades.
Today.
And we're not professionals. Well, I'm not a professional. I've been doing this for like 2 months, bro. 2 months. Maybe a little longer, like 2.5.
And I kind of be let's see. I'm kind of losing. I'm losing my viewers. I guess I got a little boring, man. Oh man, look, check this out. I want to.
They said, "Oh man,
man, don't leave now. Don't leave now. I gotta show you what's going on, man. I haven't showed anybody how to get to the money yet.
That part.
That part. Yeah, believe that. Hey man, hey, go like, subscribe, share this, man. I'm gonna give out some coins, man, right here.
I want to give out some money. Yeah, I got some money. You're gonna take this money.
No. As a matter of fact, I just changed. He just made me feel a certain type of way. It's fire. They say this is fire.
What is that? Who's on fire? You need to call an ambulance. If you're on fire, this is an issue.
No, ain't no. Share a link. Definitely. This is all I want you to do. Share a link. Please hit the like button. Don't forget to do that too. I want to do this. I want to do this a lot more, man. But I want to, kind of get some feedback, people, man. If I can get that, man, and I can do this all day, every day, man. Because I do it, and I do it for my little baby. Got to do it for the kids.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I need to get some real money generated. So, yeah, man, we can get some real nice birthday parties. And, you know what I'm saying? Just, hell yeah.
Yeah. Man, right here, man. So, like, another way to do this, man, like I was just trying to show, I wanted to show you before we got interrupted. This is another way that I was telling you to earn like up to 5%.
Yeah.
A month. Okay, you see the traders are trading every day minus the weekend, and on the app, they getting about 0.77% on a day-to-day basis. All right, and that's based off your trade. So I'm gonna pop over my account and show you what this looks like real time. So I'm my account just like that. Wait a minute.
Tell him that
Hey, Rob said to add him in the chat while he smokes a cigarette.
Add him in the chat. Shout out, add him in the chat. Cool. I'm gonna add him in the chat in just a second. Hey, is he on the Facebook, man? If he got, I mean, he got to be on the YouTube. He got to be on the YouTube in order to get in the chat right here, man. But I wanted to pop this open for you real quick.
Hell yeah, super interested.
Huh? It's look a little bit more interesting, right?
Yeah, what exactly am I looking at now? So,
well, this is it, the back office, all right, or the dashboard of my Ethtrade, one of my Ethtrade accounts, right? So anyway, what you see back here is a lot of my activity. You can see my downline right here. I got about 444 people on my team already.
yeah.
From my team, I've already just generated over 15K just off my team, just showing people how to get started and showing people how to invest their money. All right, how to put money into investment portfolios that are working. All right, that are paying people each and every day, minus the weekend. Traders are going into the exchanges. You've seen traders just like I just showed you my trade account, and I showed you how just from today. And I haven't even been too serious with this thing. I just been jumping in and jumping out. All right, I was able to gain 0.45 BTC. All right, just by knowing how to go to the cryptocurrency exchanges and do that. These guys do it for you. They paid about 0.88% for that investment today. I invested 2.8. They paid out 0.02 Ethereum. All right. So I've already had this thing open for 8 days. I like to keep these portfolios open for 60 days. That way I'm not charged for any early
Yeah, man, you cutting in and out.
Oh my God, am I cutting in and out? Can you hear me?
Yeah, low key.
Oh my God, yeah. Let me know, man, when I'm cutting in and out, man. I appreciate that. So, did you hear me tell you about how? Oh, I got him in the chat. Rob said, "Tell the girls to be quiet." Yep. So check this out, right? You open up these investment portfolios, and it doesn't matter if you know how to trade or not. That's the bottom line. You don't have to know how to trade. The traders are gonna go they're gonna go do the trading for you. We keep the investment portfolios open for a minimum of 60 days. Can you hear me right now, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we keep the investment portfolios open for like 60 days. That way we're not penalized for terminating or liquidating the portfolios early.
Too soon. Okay.
All right, so after 60 days, I can get my initial investment, plus I can get the profit back out of here without any penalty. Okay, so you see this one right here, I put in at 0.4 BTC about 62 days ago. And not only did I accrue 0.12 from the traders trading, but guess what? This 0.4 BTC was probably about $450 when I put that 0.4 BTC in there. Now that 0.4 BTC is probably worth and I'll tell you right now, well that's close enough. 0.45 BTC is $828, right? Look, I got that 0.45 today. Bang, my Ethtrade account. I opened up a portfolio of 0.45, and I'm getting so this $450 investment turned to 800. So that doubled. Okay, and then I gained the extra 100, not even $124 because that's 0.124. What is that right now? 0.124. It's $227. So that's like $600 on an investment portfolio that I open only because I'm making these deals with Bitcoin. I'm making these deals on the blockchain. All right, I know what digital currency is, and I'm capitalizing off of it. All right, so this account right here has two BTC right there. I can withdraw that right now if I want to, or as much as my account will let me withdraw. I got 3 Ethereum right here. I can withdraw those right now. I got 72 bucks right here. I can withdraw that right now. This is a live account. All right, nothing like you ever seen before. Okay, because this is the future. All right, this is something completely different, something that you've never seen before. This is blockchain technology. This is Bitcoin. All right, let me go check my chat out. Let me see what's going on in the chat. And then on the
Yeah, man, this shit look crazy, bro.
yeah, this
Yeah,
is
this shit
crazy.
mad interesting.
Yeah, it is,
Yeah, I
bro.
never even really seen it like this behind that part. All I really seen is just a few YouTube videos and a few pictures on Facebook. So to actually see it like this and real deal Holyfield stuff. So it's just like, damn, so I'm enthralled right now. Like, I really yeah, I'm trying to get a part of it. And so as far as just like uh startup, man, what we talking? Like, how much does that cost and stuff like that? Because honestly, like, yeah, bro.
Yeah, that's a good question, man. I'm glad you asked that, man, because I know a lot of people out there they pretty much got the same question, how they can get started, man. They see all of this money on the table, they know it's real. They want to know how they can get started. So, in order to get started, you see these two, this section back down here. This investment section. I can invest or I can withdraw right here.
Yeah.
So if I wanted to invest, you see they got two different portfolios right here. The standard investment portfolio, which will pay you up to 25%, and that is based on the traders and how they're trading. So it can range from anywhere from like 15 to 25%. And then they got the top trade investment portfolios. But notice how much they start with. This one starts at a minimum of 10 bucks. So I'm
Okay.
talking $10, which is like a no-brainer. Like, okay, $10. I
Yeah. Yeah.
know
Exactly.
a
I
lot
got
of
that
people.
right now.
Right, I got that right now. Everybody got that right now. The only thing is though, is you need to have Bitcoin. All right. So if you don't have Bitcoin, $10 worth of Bitcoin, all right, you don't need to have $1,800 worth of Bitcoin. Bitcoin costs $1,800. You can say, look, I want $10 worth of Bitcoin. That's it, that's all. And then bang, you just find somebody. You usually it's a peer-to-peer transaction, but they do have like Bitcoin ATM machines and stuff like that where you can buy your Bitcoin from just by like sticking your money into a machine, just like you regularly would, right? And then bang, you got your Bitcoin just like that within a matter of minutes. But yeah, you can start with that. You can click the standard investment portfolio. What you would do is you would hit BTC right there, okay, and then you will put in the amount of BTC that you want to, invest. So I'll put like 0.01 BTC, which is a little bit more than $10, but let's see what it is. 0.01 BTC is about 18 bucks. So I put in 0.01 BTC. I'll click create portfolio. When I do that, this is the next screen that pops up. You see creating portfolio. So what I'm gonna want to do now is I'm gonna send the exact amount, all right, to the exact Bitcoin address right here. So
Mm-hmm.
so if you don't have a Bitcoin wallet already set up, then that's a whole nother step. We'll get you started with that. If you aren't already started already, but I know a lot of my viewers already got a Bitcoin wallet. And if you don't have a Bitcoin wallet, you can get set up on your desktop with Exodus, or one on your mobile wallet with Jack. So that's Jax.io or Jax at the App Store. You can go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, download Jax. All right, then you'll be able to have a wallet right on your phone. And with that, you'll be able to send a transaction straight to this Bitcoin wallet address. Once you do that, come back over here, click I have paid, and then hey, it's time to get paid, right?
Yeah, part. Yeah, I need to get some.
Yep, you're gonna open up an investment portfolio, and then from there, you're gonna be able to watch the growth and development of this investment portfolio as the days progress. All right. Just as soon as it gets up to 60 days, you can withdraw that investment portfolio at no cost. All right. So this is awesome, man. This is definitely something you're at the right place at the right time, man. It may seem like you missed out on it, because Bitcoin has been here for a while, but Hey,
Yeah,
people over
only
here
going up from here.
close to this. You say it's only up from here, right? Believe that.
Yeah, I've always known the internet was a tool that, you know what I'm saying, the previous generations couldn't take advantage of, and I had to. I have to take advantage of the internet. No one else had it before.
Right. Didn't have it before. We got it now. That's
Yeah,
all
how
about
could we
me.
not pimp the internet?
Yeah. Yeah. Believe that, man. So with that being said, I'm gonna check out my chat real quick, see if I got any questions. Anybody that want to get started in the chat, I'm gonna make sure I leave that in the chat. See what I got in here. I got about 5 people in the chat real quick. Let me see. So, yep, want to invest there. Oh, cool. All right. So I'm gonna share the link real quick, and then after that, I'm gonna get ready and wrap this thing up, man. I'm gonna shut the live down. I'll still be in touch. If you guys want
Yeah,
to check
most
me out,
definitely,
find
yeah.
me anywhere. I got a social media presence, man. Facebook, I'm there. Instagram, I'm there. YouTube, I'm there. You know, check me out, man. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And I want to help you guys get this new money. Bitcoin. I'm the Bitcoin boss. Check me out. Peace.